Hi everyone, and warm welcome to the wonderful video of the Credit Card Life. My name is Amit, and with the help of this video podcast, I want to talk about one of those credit cards in India which was launched way back in 2022. And today, even though it's a part of a premium card segment, but it is a sort of a card which nobody wants it, come what may. I'm talking about a card which is known as the Kotak White Credit Card. Let me zoom it for you guys. And this is a sort of a credit card which is quite unique in its looks, in its features, and it launched a new category called the White Pass under redemption, which sounded pretty extraordinary at the time of taking the card. But trust me, it has no real value when it comes to redeeming, when it comes to fetching the information, when it comes to getting the maximum value. But this card still, gave few points which I think nobody else in the market gave. Now those points are, you can end up getting the redemption under Nat Geo Geographic Travel Adventure with the help of White Pass credit card, and apart from that, a good ratio under flight and hotel plus the gift vouchers. Now before we talk about that, let's begin with the basic feature. So when I got this particular card with the limit of 2 lakh rupees, I paid around about 3,000 joining fees and 3,000 renewal fees. Now the joining fees of this particular card gave me 1500 White Pass coupon under a White Pass redemption category, which if you redeem, it was around about 1 rupee per White Pass in the white catalog of the Kotak Mahindra Bank. But then the biggest drawback is whenever you go ahead and talk about those white catalog, it's very expensive. You're talking about Gucci, Armani, and so on and so forth. And if you have 1500 rupees for Gucci and Armani, it really makes no sense. So I just couldn't use it at all. It all went for a toss. And moving on, if I talk about joining benefits, so 1500 is what you get under complimentary as a joining bonus under White Pass category. And the renewal is only going to waive off when you spend 6 lakh rupees and above. Primarily, the Kotak White Pass credit card, or the White credit card as we call it, is known as a Milestone card, and it is on the verge of extension, and nobody even in Kotak today would recommend you to go for this card because Kotak has got better cards compared to White credit card. Let me give you the snippets about the cards and my experience in general. Number one, when you go for the Milestone benefits, which is one of the highlights of this particular card, and if you spend, let's say 2 lakh, you get 2k voucher, which is as valuable as 2k under reward. Then you have 4k. If you spend 4 lakh rupees, you get 4k voucher, and the value of 4k is almost 6,000 White Pass under White catalog. And if you spend 6 lakhs, you get 6k voucher, and the value of those voucher under catalog and reward with the help of flight and redemption is almost 12,000. And then moving on, you have 9 and 12 lakh spent, you get kind of 19k of value worth voucher, and of course 27k value worth voucher under Kotak White Pass redemption policy. Now these policies look very attractive, but when you go towards the portal, when you go towards the redemption policy of Kotak White Pass, it is mighty expensive because nobody really wants to go for Armani and Gucci apart from few individuals, because it's really very expensive. So that is one of the options where this card for me, even though it was under a premium card section, gave me almost nothing. Let's talk about the redemption value and the pointer of this particular card. So each White Pass value is of 1 rupee in white catalog, and if you want to go for a cashback towards a statement against credit, it's 0.70 paise. The key highlights of this particular card is the lounge access. So one of the common lounge access which you get under domestic is around about 2 per quarter, and of course international 4 lounges in a particular year. Apart from that, I don't think this card has given me any value, and even though I am maintaining it even today, and I've already spoken to the customer to put this off because it makes no sense for me, because if I'm spending 12 lakhs and so on and so forth, I think I have better cards, better options, better redemption value in the market compared to so-called the most unwanted premium credit card from the house of Kotak Mahindra. That's it in this video. In case if you have a question, pin it to me, connect me on my X, Instagram, and the Facebook account. I'll be more than happy to talk to you. And if you want to apply for any of the credit cards like American Express and of course, most of the Indian credit cards. The link is there in description. Let me know in case if you face any challenges or a query. Till next time, you take care and thanks for watching.